I'm AJ, tech friend AJ, and I'm gonna be doing some tech stuff today. Today, I want to actually create an app from scratch, a web app from scratch, a website from scratch, using React.js and the TickTock API. So I've come across this TikTok business. Let me show you guys here. This is the first time I'm streaming in in portrait mode on TikTok, so it should be interesting. Hopefully it's more user friendly, and because of that, all my things in this middle screen is pretty much what the TikTok audience is gonna see, and people on YouTube will be able to see kind of everything else. Oh, I'm streaming the wrong thing here. There we go. So we got kind of two panes on YouTube and one pane on for TikTok. And for TikTok, I'm gonna make it quite zoomed in, so we're here on 100. Let's go 150%. So it should be nice and easy to see on mobile, portrait mobile. Maybe even the iPhone 8. Probably not an iPhone 4. Probably won't be very nice on that, but iPhone 8. Anyway, so this is the docs for the TikTok business, but I've also got my VS Code here with a little notepad. So let's just write some notes about how I want this to work. There's one feature that I want. Features. How do you do? This is a markdown file, so we can do some stuff like headers, which I think is with hashtags. Something. I don't know. Doesn't matter. Features. I want to be able to see, if possible, comments, like latest comments on my videos. But from my little research, I think it's more likely that it'll be the latest comments on a particular video. It'd be also cool if I could rank my followers' engagement and have a leaderboard for, how do you spell leaderboard? Whoa, it makes this so big. It's probably because it's 2 words. For the most loyal or the most engaging follower. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but yeah. I mean, spell it. I just want to incentivize more like the actions that people take, like liking videos, following, commenting, especially commenting. I really like it when my followers comment, we start a conversation, they give me tips. I learn a lot through the comments. There's a lot of smart people out on TikTok, especially. I'm sure they're everywhere as well, YouTube, Twitch, but yeah, they just give me really good ideas or answer some questions that I have. So yeah, I just want to make that process a lot more rewarding for the followers. I'm just trying to pop out my chat here. How do I do this? Hold on, give me 2 seconds. Have this restream chat. It used to be able to pop out the chat, but doesn't look like you can anymore. Oh, chat settings, nope. Chat overlay, nope. Why? Alright, doesn't matter. We're just gonna keep it there. Yeah. So let's look at the docs. Let's see what's possible. So this is the one that I was looking at currently. Oh my god, can I not scroll right here? This website is not responsive. Let's see what it looks like on mobile. No better. No better. I just can't scroll right. Alright, sorry to the TikTok audience, but I'm gonna have to zoom out a bit here. Wow, I can't even go back. This website sucks ass. API reference. Alright, sorry, I'm gonna have to zoom out here. Or actually, you know what I can do? I can expand this and then move it to the left. Aha. Which part can you see? There we go. That works out. So add comments. Oh, comments for your ads. Surely there'd be comments for your videos. Let's do a Control F here. Comment. Pretty sure that's what I was looking at. Get all comments on an owned video. Yes, this is it. This is what I want. Request address. That. We need an access token, which I don't have yet, but I think I should be able to have because... Oh wait, do I need to press become a developer? Oh no. No, maybe they won't let me do this until I request it. So this video is a complete waste, potentially. Let's see. Let's see. Just gonna hide this off screen. Hope everyone's had a good day. Whoa. Just getting this verification code. Oh, that's not it. Do it. What best describes technology? Oh my god, company name. Tech friend. I'll just call it Apricot. Apricot.io. Does this work? Yeah. None of these. The hell? Alright, so this is obviously not what this API is for, but we're still gonna try to get at least access anyway. They're not gonna give it to me for this. Damn, up to 3 days. Wait, you can create an app still? What is this? Tech friend comments. This is the callback URL. What? I'm just gonna send them to my TikTok, which is TikTok/@techfriend. Where was that comment one? Did I close that tab? Shit, it was probably in. Wait, do I need permissions? Ad management, audience management, custom. I don't know if that's. This does not feel right. I'll just say that much. Description. I don't even know if I need an app. I just want this API key. Pending. What a pain in the ass. I feel like I'm just gonna have to write my own custom thing to scrape my comments. What a pain in the ass. I can't seem to find a way. to do this thing to get the comments from the API. Where was that owned video one? What? We had it a second ago. Audience. Nope. All videos. Video. The video info. Ah, here. All right. Is this example legit? I don't think this will work. Access to. Oh, cause can I use curl in VS Code? Let's have a test. What? Pretty cool. It's pretty much what I want. I don't think I have an access. There's two things I need here: an access token, business ID, video ID. I'm sure we can get, but business ID and access token. Where can I get my access token? Access token, business, open beta. Fill out another form. My bro, they just really want me to make my own scraper. Wow. I pretty much already finished this form, but yeah, what a mess. It's pretty cool how they. I know TikTok has another API that I think is open, but it's not, you can't get comments. Let's have a look. The user doesn't exist. What do you mean? Oh. When you tell me user does not exist. I need to sign up. Anyway, before I sign up, have a look at the docs. V2 API. What's the rate limit? 600 per what? Second? Given time frame. They don't tell you the time frame. Oh, 1 minute. 600 a minute's pretty good. Like count, comment count, but you can't get the actual comments, so it's not really useful for what I want to do. So let me see if I can watch my TikTok in incognito mode. I'm pretty sure I can. Yep. Oh, I can even see that I'm live. That's pretty cool. Oh, it went away. Oh, it's back. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it just disappeared. Cool. Cool TikTok. Really cool. Really cool. Alright, I'm gonna use this thing called Puppeteer for automation. Puppeteer, this is it. Headless Chrome. So essentially it will make like a headless Chrome, which is like, I think it's just Chrome without the UI. And then we can program it to like click buttons and scrape data. So let's do that. I think I'm gonna do that in like a Node app. So in here, hope you can all see that. Yeah, we can. We'll clear this. Let's make this fully terminal. Fully terminal. I'm gonna create a new folder. Does make dear work in? Yes, it does. In Windows. Okay. Scraper npm init. Package name TickTock scraper. Version 1, description cannot be effed to do any of this other stuff. Okay, nice. Now we have a initialized npm project. And now I'm gonna install, that's not the right thing, install Puppeteer with npm I Puppeteer. Let that install, hopefully it won't take too long. While that's happening, I will come to my project directory. In the scraper folder, I'm going to create a new file called scraper.js. Oh shit. I'm going to do that in File Explorer because my thing is broken. New file. Scraper.js. Yes. Okay. Scraper.js. Close the things. Close all the things. Whoa. Whoa. Nice. Okay, we have our scraper.js. Let's see what the docs say. Make this bigger for you guys. Oops, accidentally went onto magnifier. Okay, should be plenty big. Configuring. Won't worry about that for now. How do we get started? Import async. Alright, I'm just gonna copy this boilerplate code and paste. I'm pressing the wrong paste thing. Paste. Oh wow, this is going to be difficult at such a zoom level. Alright, let's go one less zoom. It's a bit better. Alright, import Puppeteer from Puppeteer async method. Does it start the async? Let's see where this bracket ends. Yep. Wait, Puppeteer launch, go to Google. What does this do? It goes to Google developers, types in a search box when it comes up. Wait for suggested overlay, click results, extract the results from the page, and then what? Print all the files. Alright, let's try run this, see if it works. Just the default thing that they've given us, just to see that, whoa, just to see that everything is in order. Alright, see, it isn't, because they won't let me use import. I think we have to do something like this. Hope this works. Because if it doesn't work, I'll have to Google it. Well, seems promising. Yeah, it's printed out a bunch of stuff. I was expecting it to not run in headless mode, which means like you can run it in a mode where you actually see the browser launch and do all the, oh, Slam's in the chat. Yo, Slam. Sorry I replied 3 minutes late, but thanks for joining the stream, mate. It's good to have you on. Slam is a good game content creator. Well, he used to be. I don't think he's making videos anymore, but you know, he had some good videos on YouTube. Yo, he's still in the chat, my boy Slam. Let's go. So Slam, just to fill you in case you weren't here from the start, I'm trying to make a web app that shows all the comments from my latest TikTok video, but their API sucks, so I'm scraping all that data myself with Puppeteer. How many platforms am I streaming on? I'm on LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch. There's one more. LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch. I'm on 6. I can't remember what the 6th one is. Let's see. It says here. Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Wait. Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitch, YouTube. Oh, I didn't say YouTube. And TikTok. 6. Okay. One sucky thing is I don't get my Facebook comments on my like feed. I have here, look, I'll show you guys. I have this restream dashboard. This helps me stream to 5 platforms. LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, but it doesn't have TikTok. For TikTok, I have their own platform, YouTube Studio, own software. So that's the 6th one. And Restream's cool. It has this chat here. Yo, Slam's coming in from Twitch. So it like combines Twitch and YouTube, but it doesn't show the Facebook comments or LinkedIn comments here. So that's kind of annoying. So I can go into my Facebook and see it. But anyway, back to coding. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I'm trying to get this in non-headless mode. So let's look at the docs here. Here, headless false. Easy. It's nice of them to have that as the next thing that I was gonna read. Excuse me. Where was that? In launch, I believe. Now let's see if this will actually show me the... Sorry, I need to sneeze. Oh, my bad. Show me the Chrome thing. Oh yes, here it is. Look, look. It's doing all the automation. I'm not touching anything. Woo! Sick. Slam will be watching. You can also get your section on Twitch to coding instead of just chatting. Might get more viewers. Oh, that's a very good, I might do that now. Very good point, Slam. Thank you so much for that insight. I'm gonna go onto my Twitch and try to change the category to coding. How do I do that? Dashboard. Oh. Software and game development. Stream manager? Hope I don't release any. Oh, here, wait. Wow, that was it. No. Yeah, at the bottom. I saw it too just as I clicked away. Oh my god, now I'm pressing all the wrong stuff. Here we go. This, right? Just chatting. Nope, that just opens up the category. There should be like a dashboard or something for me to change it. Let's see. Settings? No. Stream mat. Surely it should be here. Quick actions. Edit. Aha. Coding. You said software and game development. Got it. Thanks, Slam. You are a legend. Let me just add some more tags while I'm in here, because it looks like you can be like coding, programming, software development. Oh, not development. Software, JavaScript, React.js. What else? Engineer. Up to 10 tags, 3.6. Software engineer. Chill. Relaxing. ASMR. Alright, probably not ASMR anyway. Reviews on your streams, views, record a video. Oh no, it's not a rerun. Okay, that's fine. Thanks, Slam. Alright, let's go back to this. Okay, so we want to go to my URL, tiktok.com/@techfriend. I'm gonna comment all this out. I'm using a new keyboard here, so all my bindings are off. Control P, comment. Also my comment hotkey is off, so I have to kind of use the command thing for it. Alright, go to my site. I'm just going to do a set timeout so it doesn't immediately quit for, let's say, 2 seconds, so 2000 milliseconds. Do nothing. I don't know if that'll await it. We will see. Save that. Run this. Let's see if it goes to my TikTok page. Yay! It did it. It did it. I'm gonna allow access to Chromium. Hope it doesn't destroy my computer. Oh, we got some TikTok comments here. Hello, bruv. What do you want to do? I'll explain again. So, hey, Inia man, thanks for coming. Oh, he's not even here anymore. 0 viewers. Do I bother explaining? I'm gonna do it again. I'm trying to make a web app to display the latest comments from my TikTok feed. Oh, what if I just have this always showing? That's actually a good idea. Hold on, I'm gonna try it. Can you do always on top? Is that a thing? Let's see. Whoa. Whoa. No. Whoa. Ah, pop out. Alright, I give up. Do I give up? Hold on. There's still hope. Whoa, that is pretty sick. Hold on. I'm gonna write a quick blurb here, just so I can quickly put this on. I'm making a web app that just gonna put this that shows the latest comments and maybe has rankings and etc. Oh, you are still here. Oh, sorry, man. It says like I have 0 viewers, but I just got your comment, so that's cool. So far I looked at TikTok docs and they were shit. So I'm making TikTok API docs, making my own scraper / API to take TikTok data. That's what we're doing. Making a web app, shows latest comments from my videos. First, I'm gonna have to make my own scraper API. So I'm using a thing called Puppeteer. It's by Google. It automates Chrome, and I'm gonna use it to scrape my TikTok page. So far we're really in the beginning here. It's just going to the link of my TikTok page, and now I'm gonna have to use CSS selectors to get. I'm gonna do my latest video initially. A good way to do software development is to do it incrementally, like the smallest, most achievable thing at a time. So that way you have consistent progress, and I don't know, I can't explain it too well, but it's a good way to do it. So, whoa, bring me back my window, please. Why did I alt tab? Here, let's go to my, let's close all these tabs that I don't need. Go to my TikTok page, TikTok /@techfriend. Bring up the developer console. Boom. Let's inspect this. This is my first video. So what you can do is when you bring up the inspector and you use this button, I don't know what it's called, I'm just going to call it mouse cursor selector. You can select the elements, the HTML elements that you want, like any HTML element, just by hovering over it and clicking. So this video HTML element is now selected here, and I want to get the CSS selector for this, which is like a unique kind of ID that lets me with code select this particular HTML element. So to do that, you just right click, you go copy selector. Right now, if I go into dude, TikTok logs so much shit in their console. If I go into the console, I clear all this bullshit by pressing this button because it's too messy. And then before it writes heaps of shit, I'm gonna go document.query selector, open bracket, and then paste the thing I just copied. Null? Oh shit, dude, they got some preventative measures. That shouldn't be null. Maybe, surely not. Hold on, if I copy it again, will it still be the same? I doubt they changed the selector. Okay, it's never not worked for me before, so. Oh, okay. Well, that seems more accurate. Let's do that again. Document, maybe I didn't copy it. I don't know what happened the first time, but alright, so this massive ass string. Oh, so now it's getting the image, but at least it's not null. What was it the first time? I'm gonna filter this to just be info. No warnings, no errors. I wish I could. It's still freaking annoying that they have all these logs. Anyway, okay, video wrapper. So it seems like there'll be some manual work involved to get the right thing. Let's inspect this again. So my latest video. This is the image, so I don't want it to go that deep. I pretty much want this. Yeah, this is exactly what I want. This A link. Let's copy that selector, see what that says. Okay. So pretty much when I'm looking at this, I want this to work no matter what video is latest, no matter what happens. But you can see here they have these IDs which are unique and they're likely to change. So I don't want my scraper to be relying on these IDs. I want it to be ambiguous. I don't know if that's the right word, but I want it to work no matter what these IDs are. I want to rely on things like div and nth child. Slam asks, is this like a query for that specific element in the page? Yeah, so a SSS selector, let's see what W3 School says. This is the thing that I'm using. A pattern's used to select elements that you want to style. Well, we don't want to style them, but we want to select them. So you can specify like what type of element you want or what attribute it has to include. So I could go like query selector all and get all the images, for instance, right? And that'll give me 41 of every image that's on this web page. So it's pretty useful for scraping because you want to be able to define what you want to scrape. And in my experience, CSS selectors have been the best way to do this. So it is sometimes tricky because a lot of developers will put these preventative measures for you to not be able to scrape their websites. Like I remember I scraped LinkedIn once and they detected it and they actually like blocked my account. Well, they gave me a warning. They're like, please do not use automated software. Thank you for the roses, India man. Yeah, they temporarily blocked my account saying like if you use automated software again, like we'll permanently ban you off LinkedIn. So I'm like, oh shit. There's a lot of valuable data on LinkedIn too, so I understand that. I feel like TikTok, because it's early, maybe it'll be easier to scrape. I also like some things is like you make it so it's not like a red flag, so you don't scrape too often. Maybe you scrape every like I'm thinking of doing it every 5 minutes. Maybe go even a step further and don't scrape every 5 minutes exactly, but have like a random like interval that you scrape, just so it seems more human. But you know, depends what kind. I feel like TikTok, one thing they're really good at is tracking their users, so like they'll be able to tell for sure that it's not actually me viewing my comments 24 hours a day. But you know, we'll get to that when we get to that. So I want to select this A. Let's look at what I can take. Yeah, see these? I'm not sure if you can do, so I'm seeing these and I'm seeing a bunch of like non-English, non-words, like these are IDs, let's call them IDs, that are likely going to change. And I don't think I can do like a regex to get like maybe div video feed tab. I'm gonna Google that. Can you regex in a CSS selector? Let's see. You can use regular expressions. Wait, this up arrow I think means starts with. Format S1, S2. Yeah, so you can do this up arrow. I think it's quite selected. Hey Shoei, thanks for viewing the Twitch stream. I appreciate it. Ask me any questions. What's your backend for React? Yeah, so I like to keep JavaScript is my most comfortable language. So intuitively, I like a Node.js for a backend. I prefer to have as little server maintenance as possible, so I try like a serverless approach to Node.js. So that can be like with lambdas in AWS or function apps in Azure. Thank you for the question, Shoei. Ask me anything. Yeah, so where was I? So yeah, this is one way to do a a regular expression, but I think that's the only way. It's like limited. Oh, what does this star do? Matches anywhere. Oh, that's kind of perfect. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, so I want to get div video feeds tab. Let's see. You suggest TypeScript with GraphQL. Yeah, I've heard a lot of great things with GraphQL, and obviously TypeScript is just a more secure, better JavaScript. I've just been lazy with adopting it. But yeah, like a great developer would definitely use TypeScript over JavaScript, and GraphQL, I've heard great things. I just haven't gotten around to it, but yeah, thank you. All right, so I'm trying to select this video. This div with the videos in it. I'm trying to use regex to select it. I don't know if this will work, but we're gonna find out. So apparently if you have this star, it will mean if it exists anywhere. Oh my god, it worked. That's not the right thing that I wanted, but the fact that the regex worked is really promising. 3 viewers, let's go. Greasy Fat Nerd, hello. Thank you and welcome to the stream. I'll give another update to what I'm doing here for TikTok and Twitch. So I'm making a web app that shows the latest comments on my videos. So far, I've looked at the TikTok API and it was shit, and you needed to like get approval and apply for it. So I'm making my own scraper that goes to my website and gets the data for me on a regular basis. That's where we're at. Welcome to this stream. Okay, so that's not what I wanted. I actually wanted this one. Wait, actually, can we get more specific here? What does this have? Whoa. Image mode. I want this. Let's go up until, okay, here. User post. I didn't even need the regex. Just should have spent a few more minutes looking at it. Okay, so what did we just discover here? We discovered a div that has data E to E user post item list. That's perfect. Div data E to E. Was that what it was? E to E, yep. User post item list. Yes, okay. And now we can go A. Woo! We got it. We got the element that I wanted. And now if we just get the href, which I think I can do with .href, boom, we have the link to my first video. That is awesome. Let's put that into my code. Thanks, Slam. I'm very happy as well about that. Thank you for the likes, Van. Let's go to my code here. Okay, so we can see that they've done a wait for selector. So I'm gonna do that too. I'm gonna go const selector. We just determined it was. Wait, what if I pay? Shit. Okay, whatever's inside the brackets here. Paste. Okay, that's my selector. Wait for the selector. So that pretty much just ensures that we don't try to scrape something before it actually exists. That's what the wait for selector does. I think it's a Puppeteer specific method. And then let's see how they. Oh, you can click on it. So I didn't even need to scrape the A. Yeah, okay, we'll click on it. Click on the selector. And then you can wait for the page. Look, we'll just I'll do another timeout here just to, because I just want to make sure that the click works. So I'll do a 2-second timeout after it clicks. Let's run that to see if it clicks on the first video. Damn, I got 5 viewers on Twitch. That's awesome. Thanks for the tip, Slam. Couldn't have done it without you. Boom. Oh, I don't know if you saw that, but let's set this to 20 seconds. Pretty sure it clicked on the video. Have a look, have a look. Boom, loads my page, sees the thing, clicks it, and then quits really quickly. I think this timeout isn't working or something. Hold on. Oh, because let's put this close in the timeout. All right, have a look. Oh, thanks for the roses. Oh, I'm just reading the same thing. Never mind. But still, thanks. Oh, what, we got an error here? Oh my god, I cannot read this. Await is only valid in async, of course. So, how do I? There we go. Can you do an async in a timeout? Surely. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. Oh my god. Hold up. Yeah, look, have a look. Goes to my page. Clicks my video. And then we got the comments right there. Awesome. Loudest keyboard in existence. Not anymore. You can't hit. Can you hear this? I mean, you can, but it's not too loud. My other one, which I did every other stream on, which I've removed. It was so loud. I had the Cherry MX Blues. Yeah. I was gonna get this Keychron Ultra Slim for the slim factor, but then I'm like, why don't I just use my Mac keyboard? And that's what I'm using now, because this is already pretty slim and I'm used to it. Let's do a typing test. I reckon maybe I'll get 100 words per minute. Let's see. Crispy Chris, thanks for the comment. Welcome to the stream. See, I'm even doing punctuation, you know. This is some hardcore words per minute type thing. This is definitely not going to be over 80. Alright, fuck it. Okay, so that worked. I'm really bad with my keys here because the Alt and the Control and the Command on the Mac keyboard is really confusing when you're using it on Windows. You reckon that was 80 or 65? Yeah, it was definitely not my fastest. But yeah. Alright, so it clicks on the page. Now we want to use selectors to get the comments. So let's do that. Second, here, let's have a look at this. Item counter, item container, main content. So it's pretty much these. How many does it load? Does it load the next one? Wait, this. Comment list container. Did I get that word per minute in Varrock? Yes. Selling lobbies. That's how I learned to type. Crispy Chris says I started typing proper for some odd reason when he was playing RuneScape. Yes, I love RuneScape. I can't tell you how much I love RuneScape. Harrogath? I haven't heard of. Let me have a quick Google of it. Oh, like Diablo. Yeah, I know Diablo. Ball runs. That sounds like IBS. Okay, comment container. Comment container. Comment avatar 1. Let's see. I'm just gonna select this comment container and see what it gives me. I have not played Diablo 2. Document, query selector. What is this? That's definitely not right. I don't know what I copied there. Copy selector. Okay, so that's copying really weirdly. I have no idea why. Might have to do it manually. I want his username. Let's focus on the username. Comment username 1. Oh, it's another data E thing. Those things are coming in clutch. I don't know what they are, but they're coming in clutch. You know what? I think I'll be able to press up enough times to get my last data E. Yep. And I'm gonna change this to comment level 1. And I think I can go .text. Alright, so I got the... I didn't get his username though. Nah. Where's his username? Oh, it disappeared. I deleted it. Lol. Lol. Well, now it's a different layout. Oh my, I hope that doesn't fuck it up. What if I do that again? Is it still gonna be... Yeah. Chris asks, how long have I been programming web stuff? Honestly, a long time, but professionally, like getting paid for it, actually even that's a long time, because I used to do like some WordPress stuff for my mom's work, so I don't know, over 7 years, but full-time like 6 years. It's been a while. The landscape has changed heaps from jQuery to now we have all these nice frameworks like React. It's a fun time. Now let's see what happens with Web 3. Is it overhyped? I don't think so anymore. No one seems to hype it that much. I still hope that like things will become more decentralized. I think that'd be a good thing. For us to actually own our data. That would be great. Okay. Styled user link. This could be cool. Let's see if I can get all the comments by using this. Nope. Yes. I can. There's 4. Yeah, because 2 of them are me. Oh, this is perfect. Should I get... Let me see if I can get the parent. It'd be good if I can get both the username and the comment in one object. Is React still the top dog, or there's some other things? Yeah, there's actually a lot of competing ones. Angular has always been around, but a lot of people, myself included, don't really like it as much as React. And there's also Vue. Yeah, Vue is really nice. I think that one's gonna be doing well. I mean, it is doing well, but React still has the most use, most community, which is something that I really appreciate. There's Next and Solid, says Chris, and Preact. I thought Next is just another thing on top of React. I'm not sure what Preact and Solid are, to be honest. Okay. So have I gotten? No, I'm still doing username. I'm trying to get the whole element that has both the username and the comment here. Yes. That's really helpful. Okay. Preact. Faster 3 kilobyte alternative to React with the same modern API. Wow. Okay. I might have to look into that. If it's backwards compatible and stuff, like you can just use React in Preact, is it just a different compiler, or like I don't know how this works. Anyway, I'm gonna loop through all of these. Hopefully. That will give me something. Yeah, check that out. How cool is that? It sucks how we get the first one. Let me see if there's a... You could just skip the first one. Yeah, that's a good point. Alright, we could go... Nice. We have all the comments. Let's go. Now I'm wondering how I can differentiate the username. Well, it seems like the username is always... Let's try this. We'll split it by new line. Yeah. How good is that? How good is that? I wonder what happens if I do a new line in my comment. Test, test. Oh, you can't. What if... Well, you could break it if you do test, new line, other thing, new line, right? Let's see what it says now. Free girls in your city. Wow, I got some spam comments on YouTube. That's pretty funny. Did my thing break it? Oh, it didn't, because it escapes it. That is sick. Let's see you try inject now, hackers. Oh, I'm really happy with this. Okay, let's think about what I'm doing here. Okay, I need this selector. Let's go back to the code. I'm gonna call this first video selector so we don't get confused with the other ones. Whoop. And I'm gonna make a new selector here. All comments selector equals that. That's cool. I learned about this this asterisk here, so you can do regex in your CSS selector. Super useful. Wait for that selector, wait for the all comments selector. And now, how do I scrape it? They use page.evaluate results selector. Pretty sure we have to use something like this. The regex CSS thing should be a video. Yeah, for sure. So that's my content creation strategy, Slam, is I take clips from my streams and put them on TikTok. It's worked out really well for me. Sometimes it's hard. I like don't really make too much sense, but most of the time it's worked out pretty well. Supernatural. Could you mention how you're actually using that? Yeah, Crispy. I'll go through that. So if I explain it from the top, it'll be easy to make a clip for it. So I'm gonna do this in like a TikTok format with like a really expressive voice. So just bear with me here. Sorry, I'm making myself laugh. You ready? You guys ready? Yo, what's up, TikTok now? Okay, so I'm making a scraper. Okay, no, wait. I'm writing a script to scrape TikTok and get my latest comments. You know, in Chrome, you can use the inspector here, in the DevTools inspector. Click this button and you can see all these different elements. When you click on them, it'll be highlighted here in the DevTools. Oh my god, I'm clicking all the wrong things. The good thing about when I edit this is like all the fuck ups will be removed. Anyway, you can see all the elements that you've selected here in the inspector. And then when you get that, you can actually copy the selector and get that in code with document.querySelector. Now sometimes you'll see here that there's these weird IDs, and these are actually likely to change. So if you want to build a really robust scraper, you'll have to get around these IDs that might change. A really good way to do this, a hack to do this, is to use regex. And a regex I found on Stack Overflow with this star here. You can actually match this word in the quotes anywhere in the class or whatever attribute you want. So for instance, here in this class, you'll see that we have div head wrapper main. So I could write a selector that doesn't have to be this complex. I could just do class star equals div head selector main, div head wrapper main. But I think one thing is you have to use single quotes on the inside. Still doesn't work. Oh, how embarrassing. Why is that? Failed to theory is not a valid selector. What did I type that wrong? Oh, you got these double. Oh, you got. Okay, I completely. I swear I explained this better the first way. This is the worst tutorial ever. My bad. Okay, like that. It'll be way better in the TikTok clip. But I hope that explained it for you, Chris. My bad on the choppy explanation. If you have any more further questions, I can explain. But like, where's the regex? So the regex is this star is what makes it regex. So if I did it without the star, it's gonna search for exactly a class name of div head wrapper main. But when I do this star, it's gonna search for, and through all of these classes, it's gonna see if the div head wrapper main exists, which is like essentially, I think if you want to do it in normal regex, it'll be something like, let's do this. Regex101 is the best website to test your regex. So if I type anything here and then go banana, and I think in regex speak you can just go star banana star. Nope, that's not how you write it. Anyway, something like that, and that'll match. That'll match. I don't know how to write regex. I just Google it. Yeah, exactly, Chris. Because some of these elements are randomized, you don't want to rely on them. And I want mine to work no matter what video is my latest video, no matter what ID, you know, I want it to be able to scrape all the comments. So I'm relying on things that probably won't change, like this div head wrapper main, and not on this ID 1kdycf, because I think that's likely to change. All right, back to the code. Page evaluate, all comment selector. Wait, this is a parameter, so is it a parameter? Result selector. No, it's not. I don't fully understand how this page evaluate works, so I'm just gonna kind of copy how it has been working here. All comment selector dot map comment, and I'm just gonna print comment dot inner text. Wait, console dot log. Let's see if this works. I'm not sure if it will. Just gonna zoom out a little bit. So, whoop. So for the clip, like this will be here. So sorry for everyone on TikTok, this might be a bit small, but I just want to have an overview here. So I have this for the clip. I'm writing this Puppeteer script here to scrape my TikTok videos. It's gonna first go to my page. It's using this selector to get the first video, and then it's gonna click on the first video. We don't need this here, so I'm gonna put this at the end. And then it's gonna get this all comment selector, which should get all the div for all that contains all the comments in the page. Then it's gonna loop through all the comments and log them. Hopefully. Let's see if it works. It's gone, it's clicked it. The comments are there. It's not logging anything. It's not logging anything. Sad days. Sad days. I mean, we're close, I guess. Let's see if the selector works here. Oh, too late. We can do it again. It's all good. Where was it? Definitely close. Thanks for the encouragement, Chris. I think so. I think we're close as well. Just gonna run this again and just make sure that like the selector still works. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, did you see that? It logged it in this console. So it is working. Just in the wrong, why can't I paste, dude? I must have not copied it. Hold on, let me see. Maybe I can't. Hold on. They made this links array by mapping that. Let me try that. Links. Let's see if that'll log it out to the right console. Come on. Nope. It was logging here. Why is it logging here? I'm not even asking it to log here. What the frick? What the frick? Doesn't make too much sense to me, because last time when I ran this code, it actually logged in my terminal. It's because I didn't save. Maybe. Let's try that one more time. Ah, yes, it works. See? Aha! That's so exciting. Nice. Although it doesn't seem like it's the right thing. Please log into comment. Wait, what? definitely not the comments. It scraped something though. Why is that? Why is that? I'll make these bigger again for TikTok. Oh, comment, map, comment, inner text, links, and that was links, right? Huh. This is weird. I'm gonna try just run this selector in the Chromium window to see what happens. Whoa, now it's in dark mode. What the freak? And I can't paste here. Oh, yes, I can. Nice. Okay, well. Oh. It's getting the first one, but that's exactly the one I don't want. I'm close. I'm close, yet so far. Return. Oh, there's 2 returns. Maybe I won't use the return here. Can I just use this? Const r equals that. Wait, I'm gonna do it how I did it here. Dot for each vi value index. Oh my god. If I equals 0, return v dot split. What the oh my god. Slam says regex issue, or when you run the scraper looking at different web page since it doesn't use your cookies. So it's like the guess version of the page. Yeah. Maybe, although, but probably not, because I could visually see it, and when I ran that query in the console, it still worked. So I don't think that's the issue. Split, and let's just we'll get the third one, which would be index 2. Let's see what that does. I'm pressing all the wrong buttons. Yeah, see, Slam, if you see, like, you can actually see the comments. Oh, I didn't even click. I think it's because I accidentally clicked myself. Let's try again. Oh no, we got an error. New error, waiting for selector, failed. Why? Failed why? They're onto me! They're onto me! Ah! Alright, let's go back to just logging. Control P, comment, console.log. Log this. Oh my god. Oh my god. I keep messing up my shortcuts. Alright, here we go. Oh, why did I click? Actually, it's fine. Another error. The same one. On this page. Div content container. Failed. Target closed? What do you mean target closed? Oh no, this is good. This is fine. Let's try that. I just was reading the wrong thing. Node list 1. Yeah, see? It's only getting one div content container. Oh, is it because I'm not doing query select all? That could be the issue. That could be the issue. Let's have a look. I am doing query select all. Let me try it manually scrape. Maybe scraper needs off. I don't think so. Paste, please. See, when I do it manually, I get all 7. Maybe I need to wait longer or wait, because I guess it's like the first thing is loading first and then the comments load, whereas I need to actually, maybe I should be waiting for something else. Yeah, see? That's exactly it. If you guys noticed, have a look. The comments actually don't load first. They have this little loading spinner. So it's not, see right there? Really quickly, if you notice that, the comments don't load. So this wait selector isn't actually good. That's fine. I think we can easily get around this if we find a more specific element to wait on. A more specific, yeah, a more specific thing. Comment level 1. Easy. We'll just wait for this. Oh, thank you. That was my 100th message with Restream's chat today, Slam. Thank you so much. Yeah, Slam, that's what I used to always do too. When I'm waiting for something, I would just wait for time. But if you can, you'd always want to wait for an actual object or something, just in case maybe you're there in like a really slow internet thing and your time thing doesn't, you know what I mean? Doesn't thing. How the frick do I, oh my god, I'm so bad with these shortcuts today. Hide the terminal. I'm just gonna click that. First comment selector. Paste. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted, but it's close. Okay. So we're gonna wait for the first comment selector, but we're gonna scrape as per usual. Let's see how that goes. Node list 7. Perfect. Perfect. It's working. It's working. It's working. I still don't know how to use my shortcuts. Okay. Let's try uncomment this. And I'm gonna remove this timeout here because I don't really need to watch anymore. Save, open terminal, run. Unexpected semicolon. You'd love to see it. Where is it? Where is that semicolon? What line? Line 5. That can't be right. Oh, what the fuck? How did I do that? Oh my god. Oh, I can see why. It's me just mashing buttons trying to fucking click my short keys. There we go. Wait for selector, wait for it to load up. Yeah, exactly right, Slam. Looks like I put another semicolon where it shouldn't be. Where? Browser close? Oh, I need a browser close. Is that what it said? Can't remember what it said. Let's have a look. What did it say? v.split isn't a function. Oh, that's not very good. Oh, it should be inner text.split. That's why. Where are we at? v.inner text.split. More errors. No more errors, just undefined. I think I'm not returning properly. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a separate thing here. Const comments is an empty list, and then I'm gonna go comments dot push, and I'm gonna log the comments. Return? No, I wouldn't. But it was like it was constructing a list. Comments is not defined. Yes, it is. Comments. That's an annoying thing. Yeah, I'm not really too sure how this evaluate works, but it seems like we need to use it because I think it's complaining that comments isn't defined in here because it's in like a whole separate universe. Scraper 16. Oh no, here 16. No, probably is that. Yeah, see how they're returning comment inner text here from this map, and they're returning this string, and that's what links turns into. And previously it was like logging links. It's kind of complex, but I think that that's how we have to do it, unfortunately. So I'm gonna comment this. Uncomment. Let me just try press the comment shortcut. Oh, that works. I didn't have to do that thing the whole time. Sweet. Comments really map comment return comment dot inner text. Let's do this. Links. I reckon this will work. I reckon this will. Let's clear all this. It's too messy. This will show everything right here. Wait for it. Nah, I was wrong. Comment.split isn't a function. No, what? What? What about now? Who's not a function now? Node. Better not be comments. Dot inner text. Yeah, look at that. Well, that's not a comment, but that is, and that is, and so is that, and so is that. And so is that. And so is that. All of them but the first one. That's pretty good. Pretty good. I'm just gonna log the whole inner text just so I can see why the frick the first one didn't work. Slam asks, your selector can be more specific instead of comment level 1. That comment level 1 selector is just to check the wait for. More specific? I'm not sure I get what that would do, but feel free to explain. Alright, I'm going to go back to testing this manually here. So, this is what I did. The first one should have been test. I don't know why it was tech friend. Let me construct an object here, because that's how it should be. Console log. We're gonna go username. Wait, first we're gonna hold up. b.innerText.splitN is gonna be a variable. Bear with me here. Const all text equals that. And now the object will be username is the first one. Comment is the third one. Take friend, test this. Sweet. So now we've got an actual object of all the comments. See, I've got some new people on TikTok. Ziggy Jackson has asked, what on earth does that return thing do, or what is it called? That's a good question. Let's open that. I'm not going to be very good at explaining it, but I'll do my best. So we're initializing a variable called links here, which is waiting for the page to evaluate with this selector. This is where it gets complex. And now it's gonna return a list, which is what these square brackets are. These 3 dots is a spread operator. So it's gonna put every element inside what's after the 3 dots inside this list. Not as a single element, but all the elements in the list, so it's just like one big list. And then we're gonna map, which loops through all the elements in that list. We're gonna get every element and just have the inner text. And that whole thing will be returned as the links variable. It's kind of hard for even me to understand. This is what I'm doing, guys. If you've just joined, I'm making a web app that gets the latest comments on my videos and displays them. I looked at the TikTok API, but they were pretty shit, so I'm making my own scraper to scrape the TikTok data. And we're really close. We're pretty much finished to scrape it locally. The next step would be to host this as an actual server and use it as an API for my web app, which I probably won't do in this stream, but in a stream soon to come. So let's just, last thing I want to do here is just to get this all as an object, like how I did in here. So let me just copy this. VS Code. Yeah. I think I can get an index here as well. Let me just double check that I can use map instead of for each. Nope. For each with index. Yeah, you can get index in a for each. That's good. Slam says you need an IQ of over 200 to understand JavaScript. I don't think that comment to index works in all cases. Never mind, so your console seems to work. Yeah, it might not. I'm not fully confident, but it's like the best solution I could go for so far. Ziggy Jackson says, thank you for the explanation. It's like a container for the elements inside. We'll read into that. Yeah, Ziggy Jackson, look up, if you're confused about the 3 dots, it's a very important thing to learn. Look up the spread operator. That thing's really cool, important thing to learn in JavaScript. This whole return page evaluate thing, this evaluate is specific to Puppeteer, so don't worry about that too much. Map is also very important to know. It's a way to like make new arrays. So yeah, map and spread operator, I'd look into those. All right, where was I? Trying to paste something here. All text equals comment.innerText split, and then instead of console log, I'm just gonna return this object, and hopefully that is it. Hopefully that'll be all the comments. I'm gonna change this to comments, change this to comments, and give it a run. Clear, run. See it automating here. I'm going to turn headless mode on too, so it doesn't have to render the UI. It'll be a bit faster. But boom, you can see here, except for the first one, I think I still have to have it return on the first one. If I equals 0, return. Let's try that again. Well, let me turn on headless mode as well. Hopefully that'll make it a bit faster. Is this tiring? No, this is actually, yeah, kinda. It's more fun, especially with the engagement. It really helps me, motivates me to make more content like this. Oh shit, so when I return I don't want that null. What can we do instead of return? Continue? Continue? No, that doesn't work. Pass. Pass. Let me Google something here. How to skip iteration in array map.js. Is it possible? Just filter it. Nah, man. I don't want to do that. I don't want to filter it. Flat map. Huh. Come on, there has to be a better way. Oh, you okay, looks like you can't skip elements in map. So what we can do is use one of the other many loops available to us. Is the length of that first item the same after it splits as the rest? No, I think it's longer. Why, Slam? Is that gonna help? That insight? Let me just zoom out for a sec while I understand. I already have the if. The problem isn't the if. The I equals 0 already makes it known. The problem is like not returning an element in the map. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a for each. I mean, I could use a map. Yeah, let's just keep the map. Keep the map. Keep the map. Remove the return. Remove the spread operator. Keep the map. If I equals 0, we'll just return. That's fine. If it doesn't, we won't return. We will return val.push this. And then we just return the return val. Surely that'll work. Ziggy Jackson. Thank you for the motivation, tech friend, and good luck finishing your scraper. Subbed on YouTube. Thank you so much, Ziggy Jackson. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my YouTube subs. Hopefully I can monetize one day. That's been my goal for a long time. Still seems like a long way till that, but I'm getting more successful than I've ever been, so you know that's promising. Still struggling to open this terminal. There we go. Alright, let's see if this works. Bro's doing HTML and got the whole matrix behind him. Dead emoji. It's pretty funny. Query selector all map is not a function. That's fine, we'll just use for each. Bloody JavaScript loops. I made a video of JavaScript loops and I was still falling victim. Come on, mate. What if you do if I does not equal 0 to all the things? That's a great question, Slam. Well, it's too late now. I've already got it, but that is a great question. Sweet. That works. Scrapers are cool, but you know what's cooler? The cert from Hacktoberfest. What's the cert from Hacktoberfest? This better not be a troll, but I'm gonna Google it. The cert. I feel like... Oh, t-shirt from Hacktoberfest? What's Hacktoberfest? Oh, that's pretty cool. You have one of those t-shirts? But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this stream here. I'll hang around for another 10 minutes or so answering questions if anyone has it, but yeah, thanks for watching. I don't know what else to talk about. I'm gonna do one more stream. No, it's typing test. You can have it for free. What do I have to do? I feel like I know about this or I heard about this somewhere. You just like apply for something or something. Tell people to follow? Yeah, follow, guys. I thought that should be obvious, but yeah, I guess it's not. Follow, sub to me on YouTube. Let's see how many I got. I think I should have 102 subs on YouTube. Yeah, 102. Sweet. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it. It takes 4 pull requests to open source soft, and you're gonna get cool t-shirt. Check their website. Alright, let's check their website. Hacktoberfest. Do I plan to use the scraper for anything? Yes, I'm gonna use it to get data for my web app, which will display the comments on my latest video, and then eventually I want to make like a leaderboard of my most loyal or most engaging followers. Let's see, prepare to hack. Hacktober kickoff. Hack party. Hack rap. Support open source. Where's the t-shirt information? That should be on the front page. That's what people want to hear. How do I get this t-shirt here? Looking for Hacktoberfest swag? But you must register, make 4 pull requests in October to a repository with the Hacktoberfest label. That's pretty cool. 4 pull requests seems like a lot. To be honest, I haven't really contributed to much open source. But yeah, pretty cool. I mean, I have enough t-shirts, but it's still cool. Oh, are these all the repositories, or are these just sponsors? Participants. Let's click on one. This one. Resuminator. Build single page resumes within minutes. Cool. Cool. Nobody else here. Thanks for the information. Wow, I've been streaming for almost 2 hours. Is that right? It's insane. Didn't feel like it. This has been very fun. Slam has linked this. What is this? Why is it making me do this thing? How do I not do it? What is this, Slam? I'm not gonna agree to stuff first. Instant neural graphics primitives lasting. What is this? Ever wanted to train a Nerf model of a fox? Oh shit, this is done post? What? You can fly around a scene captured from photos? That's pretty fucking sick. It feels like a lot of work to get working, but pretty cool outcome. Wow. Yeah, structure from motion. Yeah, I've used there's an app, Polycam. It's just like an Android app. You can scan any object and make it a 3D model. It's pretty cool. But the one you sent seems to be like a full 3D scene, which is, I guess, kind of similar, but pretty cool stuff. Polycam is better. Why are you suggesting inferior products to me, Slam? Come on. Nobody else says they've done 4 JSON file pull requests last year and got a t-shirt and stickers. Nice. Good on you. Easy. Easy. Let's have a look at my TikTok, see if anyone's asked any questions I can answer right now. How you prevent exploits or hacking. What snippet was when he typed RH? Oh. I can explain that with a video. Let's have a look at my VS Code snippets. How do we do that? Let's hide my terminal. Let's go snippets. AJ code snippets. All right, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 snippets. And the one, our friend here, what's his name? Her name. Oh my god, I cannot pronounce this. Let me I assume it's Russian. Let me try to translate it. And here.
Stanislav Alexandrovich.
Stanislav Alexandrovich. So Stanislav Alexandrovich has asked, what snippet was it when he typed RH? I can show you the snippet right now, Stanislav Alexandrovich. If you look here at my snippets, you can take all of them if you want, but we're gonna look at the one you specifically asked for. Make React hook, prefix RH. So when I type RH, it will instantly write const, bracket open, and then pretty much, let's just show you right here. It will do that, const bracket open, and then you'll see it'll set the cursor there and before and after set. This is how you write a React hook. So now if I type something here, you see it'll write it both in the first parameter and the second parameter. The first one is the actual value of the variable hook, and the second one is the method to set it. And then if I press tab, it'll go into the use state thing where I can set the initial value, and you'll see it'll also capitalize the first letter of the set something. So that just makes it a whole lot easier for someone to write a hook. I can do it in 2 seconds. Boom, 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 boom. See? Easy. Hope that explained it for you. Yeah. I think that's it for my stream. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll be back as soon as possible. Bye.